How to reactivate Amazon Flex account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about reactivating the Amazon Flex account. So let's get started. There are two ways to do this, depending on why your account was deactivated. First of all, you have to contact the customer support for the reactivation, which is recommended if it was due to inactivity. Amazon Flex term states that 180 days of inactivity can lead to a ban. You can request reactivation by calling the customer support at 888-2816-906 for the US drivers and 081453757 for UK drivers. Amazon Flex will verify your identity and reactivate your account. Secondly, for more serious violations like harassment, driving under the influence, carrying weapons, using outdated documents, or working other jobs while on duty, you will need to appeal through the email. Upon deactivation, Amazon Flex will email you the reasons for the ban and provide a link for the appeal process. It's advised to appeal within the 10 days, explaining why you believe that the deactivation was unfair, sharing your version of events and how it has impacted you. Concise and professional appeals are recommended. Amazon Flex usually responds quickly to issues like outdated documents or inactivity, but sensitive matters like customer complaints or policy violations may take up to 10 days. Remember, accounts banned for harassment or DUI won't be reinstated. So I hope this information helps. Your feedback is welcome. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.